Hello, my name is Andrea Munoz Lopez. I'm going to do my oral presentation for English Level 2. The first time I'm going to introduce myself. Then I want to talk about my trip experience in the Montoya Santander. Then I'm going to talk about the weather in the Montoyas. And finish, I'm going to do recommendation if you go to Las Montoyas. This is me, Andrea Munoz. I was born in Las Montoyas, Santander, and now I live in Cimitarra, Santander. I live with my parents and I have a cat. I'm environmental engineering student of Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia. I like riding a bike, going, and filling crosswords. Okay, I'm going to talk about my trip. Tips to go to Las Montoyas. I went to Las Montoyas with my boyfriend to visit my family. It is a small town to which you can travel without spending a lot of money. There you can perform different activities, from cycling to swimming. This place is surrounded by many water sources including the Magdalena River and the Chucurí Swamp. Being this an important ecosystem that sustains the economy of inhabitants. It also has a rail transport system that takes passengers to the city of Barranca Bermeja. The weather in Las Montoyas. This town is really hot. Has temperatures between 32 and 38 degrees. I'm going to talk some tips about if you want to travel that town. The first time you have to wear sunglasses and sunscreen because the sun is really strong. 2. Use insect repellent. This prevents disease and skin discomfort. 3. Load your own water bottle. Why? Because the water in this town is not drinkable. Number 4. Finish with hook. There is a great variety of fish in this one, and you can eat it. Take the rain to arrive. Number 5. You can reach the town by 3 different means of transport: the train, the bus, and the speedboat. What you should do? Okay, I'm going to go to talk about this town. In this case, if you plan to go to Las Montoyas, you should get vaccinated against malaria and yellow fever. It's really important to know. You don't need a full reservation. Why? Because there are several hostels to stay, and the food is really cheap, and the people are very friendly. Sure, believe me. No cost must be paid to enjoy the swamp and river activities. You should only go if you have friends and acquaintances in this place. Why? What you shouldn't do? You should not go to Las Montoyas if you don't know anyone, since it is an area of armed conflict. That's really dangerous. Okay? I think I'm going to help you to find a great trip for the next occasions. Bye. Thank you.